Welcome students in economics class. Today our topic is depreciation. What are the alternate names of depreciation? Replacement cost of fixed capital, current replacement cost, capital consumption allowance, consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital or depreciation is the loss in the value of fixed capital due to normal wear and tear, causing obsolescence and normal rate of accidental damage. By normal wear and tear, we mean the fall in value of fixed asset due to normal use in production. Expected obsolescence means loss of value of fixed assets due to change in technology or due to change in demand for goods and services produced. Technological obsolescence, loss of value of fixed assets when this becomes obsolete, outdated due to change in technology. For example, with the introduction of diesel engines, steam engines of railway are gradually becoming obsolete. You can give example of color TV. With the introduction of color TV, black and white TVs becomes outdated. Loss of value of fixed asset when these become outdated due to change in demand. For example, a plant producing rubber shoes becoming outdated when demand shifts from rubber shoes to leather shoes. Expected obsolescence is estimated by the producers on the basis of their knowledge and experience of the market conditions. This type of obsolescence makes machines lose their value. It is a part of What is depreciation reserve fund? What is the need of depreciation reserve fund? If the worn out capital due to depreciation is not replaced with a new fixed capital, there will be a fall in production capacity of the enterprises. As such, every enterprise allocates funds to cope with depreciation losses. This is known as depreciation reserve fund. We can explain it with the help of an example. A machine is purchased for 1 lakh rupees. Its expected lifetime of use is 10 years. Then annual provision of funds to replace the machine after 10 years is equal to 1 lakh. After 10 is equal to 10,000. It is depreciation fund. Provision of the funds is made on the annual basis. What are the unforeseen or unexpected obsolescence? It is a loss of value of fixed capital due to natural calamities like flood, earthquake, fire, theft, or depletion of natural resources, or fall in the market value of assets during period of economic recession. Loss of value of fixed assets owing to unexpected obsolescence is called capital loss. Now, we can differentiate consumption of fixed capital means depreciation and capital loss. Consumption of fixed capital refers to loss of value of fixed capital while these are being continuously used in the process of production. Loss in the value of fixed capital without being used in the production. Consumption of fixed capital or depreciation is the loss in the value of fixed capital due to normal wear and tear, falls in obsolescence, normal rate of accidental damage, or consumption loss, loss of value of fixed capital due to natural calamities, or depletion of natural resources, or fall in the market value of assets during the period of economic recession. Consumption of fixed capital is managed through depreciation reserve fund. Capital loss is managed through insurance of the fixed assets. Thank you.